Divide 744 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 2 is 6. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 4 and it is 14. So 3 times 4 is 12. On subtracting, we get 2. So again we put down this 4 and it is 24. So 3 times 8 is 24. On subtracting we get 0. So 744 divided by 3 is 248. So this much for today and thanks for watching.